Do you want to learn how to use the face swap feature on Pikzels AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. Now, once you've signed up on Pikzels, you're going to be taken to this dashboard page. On here, click on New Chat, and then click on Face Swap. Now you can upload a thumbnail here from YouTube. For example, I head over to YouTube and I find the thumbnail that I like. For example, this one. I will click here. And on the right, I have this Chrome extension installed of vidIQ. It's really good because it shows you the thumbnail here. And it also shows you if they've done A/B testing on their thumbnails. It also shows you all the other thumbnails available here. For this video, it's not showing, but on my other videos, other tutorials that I've done, it shows those A/B testing thumbnails. You can check out on the playlist on the right in the end of this tutorial. Now click here and download the thumbnail. Now the thumbnail has been uploaded. We're going to upload a face next and upload your face here. My face has been uploaded. I'm going to click on generate. It's going to take in 3 credits out of your total balance. Just click here and there it is. The thumbnail has been face swapped and it has my face on it. I don't have a beard, but it looks good. And now you can download the image from here. And this was the thumbnail before, and this is the new thumbnail. You can do the same thing by using Pikzels. Make sure to click the link in the description to head over to this website and try out for free. You can generate up to 5 thumbnails, no credit card is required, and if you do decide to get one of these plans, it may help me with a small commission. And that's it. This is how to face swap any YouTube thumbnail with your own face. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.